Okay, so hi dear Libras, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. Oh my reading without the camera falling down in your readings. Oh my god. This is not a coincidence now. This is something I don't know which forces are working for you guys. Every fucking time in Libra only. Anyways, this is a no contact reading from today till the 4th of May. Roles can be reversed also and action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. But Libras, do something about your energies. Now it's irritating me. God. By the way, it's good afternoon, not evening. Let's see. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Eight of Swords. First of all, this is somebody who is in their head a lot instead of their feelings. And in their feelings, they're going up and down, back and forth, up and down, and they're trying to run away from their feelings as much as they can. Highly confused kind of energy, and a lot of mental entrapment kind of energy where they are continuously overthinking, continuously in their head about things, but not able to understand what is actually going on. Emotionally also they are very confused and very much disturbed. Wow. Might be there are chances that this person might be dealing with other energy or other energies too, and that's why this is creating more mess than is already in the situation. So yeah, this is somebody who is emotionally confused, up and down kind of energy, trapped in their own thoughts and trying to run away from their feelings and emotions. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation? We have the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. Wow. They're like they want to hold on to the idea of being with you someday. Someday. And I don't know if that day is ever going to come back or not. Right? Because at some point of time, you guys decided to be with each other. It's like this person wants to hold on to the idea of, okay, let's wait for some time. And when the timing is going to be right, I will be able to choose what's best for me. Definitely this person is either dealing with two people at the same time, or they're in this energy of, okay, it should be with me or me with Libra. So they just want to wait for the time when they will be able to make up the right decision, make up the right choice in this direction. Okay, but they definitely want to hold on to you energetically as tightly as they can. Physically they are nowhere to be found. They are kind of running away, actually, as far as they can, maybe in the deserts of Thar is it desert or what? I forgot. Anyways, just as far as they can. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 4th of May. Yeah. We have the Four of Swords, the Six of Swords, the Nine of Cups. They're in this healing chapter of their life right now, where they're continuously working on their own happiness, on their own growth and progress. Right now, they're trying to get rid of the past baggages and past things and past happenings, and trying to be as happy as they can from their side in their interpersonal life, with or without you. With you is a game of waiting period. Without you is a game of, okay, let me work on myself, and I will think about Libra when I will be okay within myself first. So right now this person's energies are so chaotic, Libra, that even if you are going to reach out to them, they will not be able to give you any kind of answer. They will not be able to give you any kind of clarity, understanding of what's going on or something like that. Right now this person's energies are totally messed up, so there's no use of even connecting with them. Leave them alone. Now a lot of you are going to say, we already are not talking to them, we don't care. You do. That's why you're here, and that's why you're watching this stupid video. I'm calling it stupid because their energies are giving me a very stupid vibe right now, where they are not even letting you go completely. Energetically they are holding on to you very tightly, and you can feel their energy around you. And physically they are like, I should run away as far as I can. For you, the guidance is the King of Wands. You have to be your own person, Libra. Even if you are going to feel bad about it or good about it, don't know. But this is a strong lesson for you guys, that you have to be your own person. You have to be the reason of your own happiness. You have to take the responsibility of your own sadness as well. If you are going to continuously attach your happiness to other things, other people or situations in your life, you are never going to find the true happiness that you are looking forward to have in your life. It's as simple as that. Sorry to burst your bubble. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, and do something about your energies. Next time, if my camera is going to fall down, I'm not going to do your reading. Do something about it. Kidding. Bye.